While visiting Lagos, Nigeria, I was determined to visit as many nature and wildlife places as possible. Nestled along the Lekki Expressway is Lufasi Nature Park. The entry fee for this nature haven was 1,000 naira, which is equivalent to less than $1. The first wildlife that greeted me was a cute squirrel. The squirrels in this region look much different than the ones in Los Angeles. I started my exploration by checking out some of the flora on the grounds. It was exciting to see the biodiversity in this place. I continued my exploration at the Lufasi Eke tree, a tree with a rich history. I also saw a white cedar plant. I was excited to continue exploring this place I'd heard so much about. The park is actually pretty vast. I stopped by to get something to drink and spotted these ducks who apparently love to eat indomie, so I fed them. I walked around some more, hoping to spot some interesting birds, especially the kingfisher. You know how I love the kingfisher. But the air at Lufasi, it was so fresh. It was like a breath of fresh air. I stopped for a second to make a new friend. Then continued exploring the grounds while looking for more wildlife. I finally saw a tree where the kingfisher comes, but I didn't get to see the bird itself. Ooh. Being on Lufasi was pretty relaxing. I took a bridge to the other side of the park. This walk on the bridge would not have been complete without a little bit of my I am in nature dance. Yes! I continue to explore the grounds, taking in the absolute beauty and freshness of this place. If you want somewhere where the air is clean and you just feel zen, then Lufasi is definitely a place for you to visit in Lagos, Nigeria. Biodiversity is my thing, so it was exciting to see how many variations of dragonflies they had here. Speaking of biodiversity, rumor has it that the water buffalo was once found in this region, but due to habitat loss and human activity, boo, it is now extinct in the region. While moving around the grounds, I met some monkeys, and this one didn't seem to like me much. It kept sticking its tongue out at me. I ended my day by the gazebo, taking in the absolute freshness and the breathtaking view of the park. Before you go, check out some of the photography art I created while at Lufasi. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe.